All natural erosion. Erosion is happening all the time. It's nature's way of recycling material on Earth. Natural erosion helps to create valleys and floodplains. It also plays an important role in bringing nutrients to barren or lifeless areas. Layers of sediment. Flooding can cause a lot of damage to houses and property, but flooding can also work to improve soil. Floodplains are the flat lands on either side of the river. When the Nile River in Egypt floods, the minerals and nutrients carried in the water are deposited along its banks. This makes the banks suitable for growing many kinds of crops. The Niger River in West Africa, the Ganges in Bangladesh, and the Missouri in the United States also have fertile floodplains. Here's a fact box. Soil facts. In Egypt, about 3,500 years ago, farmers first learned how to irrigate their land. Irrigation is an artificial watering of soil. They dug channels in the floodplain, then lifted water into them from the Nile using long poles with buckets on the end. Here's an image. And the caption says, "Serious flooding dumps mud on soil, killing plants and soil animals. The mud may have to be removed." Fertile fan. The Nile River in Africa cuts through the dry Sahara Desert. As the river flows northward, it erodes particles of rocks from the riverbanks and river bottom. This thick sludge, called sediment, is carried along as the Nile slows on its way to the Mediterranean Sea. As the river mouth, the sediment is left behind, creating a large delta or triangle of very fertile ground. So here's a picture. You can see the triangle here. That's a satellite image of the Nile Delta. Natural beauty. Rocks erode at different rates. Rocks that are formed when layers of particles are cemented together under pressure are called sedimentary rock. They erode much faster than harder rocks, such as granite or marble. Wind and water can erode sedimentary rock and leave arches or bridges of hard rock.